students. Now I am taking business taxation of secondary BCom. Under that, computation of house rent allowance, HRA. We already solved around 4 problems. So this is the 5th problem. The problem is like this. Sachin gives the following details. Basic rupees 8,000 per month. Basic is 8,000 per month. DA rupees 2,000 per month. 50% enters into retirement benefit. It is given in the bracket. 50% of this forms part of salary for retirement benefit. That means 50% of DA enters into retirement benefit. Then HRA is given. House rent allowance is HRA 2,500 per month. 2,500 per month. Rent paid for the house at Chennai. So it is given rent paid and the place is also given, it is in Chennai. The amount of rent paid is rupees 3,000 per month. Commission is received at 1% of sales turnover of rupees 10 lakh. Here commission is also given. It is based on percentage. So 1% on 10 lakh. Compute the taxable HRA. So this much of information is given. So now we have to calculate the house rent allowance. See here, basic salary is also given. DA enters into retirement benefit is also given. Then commission is also given. Therefore, first we have to calculate the salary for HRA for 1 year. So we can calculate the salary for 1 year. So computation of salary. Here it is given. Basic is 8,000 per month. So basic 8,000 into 12. That means 96,000. Then it is given DA 2,000 per month. 50%. That means DA is 2,000 into 12, that is 24,000 into 50% only enters into retirement benefit. Or we can calculate like this only, this also. 2,000, 50% means 1,000. 1,000 into 12 or 2,000 into 12 into 50%. The amount is same, it is 12,000. Here it is percentage of commission is given. So in case of HRA, salary we mean basic, DA and DP to retirement benefit and percentage of commission. So here it clearly given commission is 1% on 10 lakh. So here we have to add commission also for salary calculation. So commission is 10 lakh into 1%. That means 10,000. So the total will be 1,18,000. So the salary total is 1,18,000. So we can write here, as per our calculation, salary is 1,18,000. Next step, we have to calculate the HRA. So next we have to write computation of HRA. Computation of taxable HRA. Computation of taxable HRA. House rent allowance. Provide 2 columns. First we have to write HRA received. So HRA received is given here. He is receiving HRA of rupees 2,500 per month. So 2,500 into 12, it is 30,000. 30,000. So next let's exempt under section 10(13)(a). 10(13)(a), under that list. That means list of the following. Under that number 1, A is actual HRA received, that is same, actual HRA received is 30,000. Next number B is rent paid over 10% of salary. Rent paid over 10% of salary. So rent paid, here it is given, rent paid at Chennai is 3,000 per month. That is rent paid is 3,000 into 12. That is equal to 36,000 over 10% of salary. We already calculated the salary in the working note. So we have salary of rupees 1,18,000. So 1,18,000, to make it 10%, remove 1 0, we get 10% of the salary is 11,800. So rent paid over 10% of salary anta untu. Rent paid illi kottidare Chennai 3,000 per month anta. So 3,000 into 12 a month ge 36,000. Over 10% of salary. So salary already calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ 1,18,000 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Other 10%, that is 11,800. So we get here 24,200. 24,200. So the third rule is 40% of salary or 50% of the salary. If the house is situated in B, C, D, that means Bombay, Calcutta and Chennai and Delhi, it is 50%. So here in this problem it is clearly given the house is situated in Chennai. So Chennai means we have to write here 50% of salary. So the house is situated in Chennai. Chennai means it is 50% of salary. Salary already calculated in the note. It is 1,18,000. So 1,18,000 into 50%. So we get 59,000. 59,000. So least of the following. So 30,000, 24,200, 59,000. So least of the following is 24,300. Deduct it. Then we get 5,800. 5,800. So this is the 5,800 is the taxable HRA. So here the person is searching. He is receiving 30,000 of HRA. For that 30,000, he should pay only 5,800 as taxable HRA. So 30,000 ನಾವು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ HRA ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು ಆ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಅವನು 5,800 ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು. So the 24,200 is exempted from tax. That is why here we are writing exempted under section 10A, least of the following. That means out of 30,000, 24,200 is tax free. It is exempt from tax, and the remaining 5,800 is taxable. So with this we can end this problem. Thank you.